Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A.
So today, itatry natin ang product rule. Ito ang magbigay ako ng example kung paano isolve ang product rule. Ang formula ng product rule ay d over dx f of x times g of x is equals f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. Ito ang ating example. Y is equals 2x to the power of 4 minus 3 times x squared plus 1. So ngayon naman, kukunin natin ang derivative ng f of x and g of x. Una, ang derivative ng f of x. Our f of x is 2x to the power of 4 minus 3. Kukunin natin ang derivative ng f of x at g of x. Ang derivative ng f of x is equals 8x cubed. At ang derivative naman ng g of x ay 2x. So ngayon i-apply na natin ang formula ng product rule. Y prime is equals f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f, the derivative of fx. I-apply na natin siya. Ang ating f of x ay 2x to the power of 4 minus 3 times yung derivative ng ating g of x ay 2x.